from parking to the, what do you call this, oval for jog and walk this morning. Have a beautiful Saturday. It's Sayabadabadu. Sunshine in my daming basura. Sunshine in my window, that's what you are. There, it's, I guess, 7 in the morning. Let's walk and jog here in the Cambridge Village condominium. I like this place a lot. Some says it's not nice because marami ng changes, but I love this place. There are so many issues, but those issues were ignored, and you can have solutions on those issues, right? When you settle to a place, it's not perfect, but you know, you have to deal with it. Some problems about the internet, about the water, or even the administration in the clubhouse. I mean the administration in the association, homeowners, and even the office itself. Like now, the pool is not available. There's no swimming pool because they will renovate, and it's summer. Sunshine. Here is what's the name of the building? Tuduk. There's cluster number, and then there's building Tuduk. But our unit is in 2 Berkeley. 1 Berkeley, 2 Berkeley. That's the building here. I like it here. I love this place. And jog. Walk. It's my first time to voice over. I don't like my voice, to be honest. Real love, baby. That's it for today. 1 round of walk. Just a slight walk. Thank you. Good morning.